Good morning everyone. Happy Thursday. I'm getting ready for my training today. I'm not sure if I'm gonna duty only 12 hours or 24 hours. It depends if there's somebody who gonna stay for night duty. If no, I'm gonna stay until tomorrow. Happy Thursday everyone. Almost weekend again. Tomorrow is weekend. Tomorrow I'm gonna go to church again. I have so many things to bring. I bring extra clothes in case that I'm gonna duty for 24 hours. And the food that I eat for lunch and dinner, because they don't have food there. Bye guys. Happy Thursday everyone. See you later or tomorrow. I'm wearing sports clothes so that it's easy to move. If I'm gonna wear jeans, it's hard to move. Especially dress, not allowed to wear dress there. Only civilian clothes with comfortable.